What if I told you that there is a much easier way that you can go ahead and shrink your stamps needed for your nail bed? And so here is the Flexi Stamper. It is a nice, sturdy, kind of ergonomic design. If we just go here, you see that little notch here? And there it comes off. So you still have the ability to use it with the see-through function. Super easy to just put it back on and lock it back into place. And there you have your full stamper. Okay. Also, right now, I don't have this thing twisted all the way to the top. So this is like a normal dome. That is the original stamped image of this mushroom. But if I twist this all the way to the max, can you guys see how domey that gets? Okay, so at its max, it's about 2 rotations for it to be at its max. There is a locking mechanism, this like lip here. So unless this part breaks, there is no way for it to actually push farther than that. So let's go back and pick up that same image. So now taking it back down, 2 rotations down. That's how I shrink it. I can take it off using that clear part and stamp it on. So there you can see how it shrunk that image. So I hope that this is a solution for some of you, especially if you have small nail beds or if you like to wear long tips. This might be a really awesome solution for you to wear your nails and kind of pick the size necessary for whatever your needs are, because size does matter and we're trying to make that as easy as possible for you. So now we're giving you a new school way to adjust your stampers, either making it smaller or bigger using the Flexi Stamper. Pretty cool, huh?